In this video, I will show you how to subscript in Microsoft Word. I'll show you three methods. First, using toolbar. Highlight the text you want to subscript, then go to Home tab, then press X2 icon. Number 2 method is keyboard shortcut. Highlight the text, then press Ctrl equal and you will see the text is subscripted. Number 3 is using equation. Go to Insert tab, then click on equation, then in the bottom you'll see Insert new equation. Click on it, then press on equation option. You'll see the script option here. Just click on it. Then you will see the subscript option here. Click on subscript and here you will put the main character like X and the lower will be the subscript. If I press 2, you see the subscripted text will written. By following this method, you can easily subscript in Microsoft Word.